In this procedure, we remove extra fat, and along with that, extra skin or loose skin is also removed. So this procedure not just leads to inch loss, but also tones up and tightens abdominal skin. Dear friends, in this video I will discuss most commonly asked questions for tummy tuck procedure. Apart from that, many of you are not very clear what exactly is the difference between tummy tuck and liposuction procedure, or which procedure is suitable for which patient. So I'd like to answer most of these questions in this video. Tummy tuck procedure involves liposuction and tightening of skin. While liposuction takes care of extra fat, tightening of skin is performed by removing extra skin by giving an incision. So tummy tuck procedure is generally performed when you have problem of both extra fat and less skin, which cannot be tightened by any other means. So if you have only mildly lax skin or skin which is not very loose, then maybe you can get away with liposuction procedure only. But if skin laxity is significant or it's too much and there are a lot of stretch marks on the skin, then you may benefit by liposuction and tummy tuck procedure combined together. So this procedure makes use of liposuction and skin tightening, leading to inch loss and flattening of your tummy area. Along with that, you can also get rid of a lot of skin which had stretch marks, which allows you to wear your clothes and dresses with more confidence and comfort. So any one of you who has lax skin along with extra fat or only lax skin will benefit by tummy tuck procedure. In this procedure, we remove extra fat, and along with that, extra skin or loose skin is also removed. So this procedure not just leads to inch loss, but also tones up and tightens abdominal skin. While we remove abdominal skin, a lot of area which had stretch marks also gets removed. So in a way, stretch marks are also treated in tummy tuck procedure. Tummy tuck or abdominoplasty procedure involves placing an incision in lower abdomen. Usually this incision is placed in such a way that the final scar is always hidden in your undergarments. Although we remove stitches by around 11 to 12 days time, you will have a scar which looks little reddish and prominent to begin with. We will suggest you some medicines to be applied and some gentle massage to be done over the scar, which helps in making the scar softer and normal in appearance. Over a period of few weeks and months, this scar continues to improve. By 6 months to 1 year time, most of these scars have mostly faded and they're not very obvious to look at. If by any chance some of you have a scar which is not very well settled or still reddish in color, we can offer you some treatments in form of laser or microneedling treatment which helps us improve the scars further. Scar in tummy tuck is integral and they usually fade over a period of time and they are always hidden in your undergarments. Tummy tuck procedure can be performed in two ways. Full tummy tuck procedure involves incision which is placed very low on your tummy area and usually hidden in your undergarments. Along with that, we give you a new umbilicus or new belly button which is rightly placed, and creating this new belly button allows us to tighten your entire abdominal skin and muscles. If Few of you have loose skin only in lower tummy area or lower abdomen, then we may not need to recreate your belly button. We can only give an incision in the lower abdomen and remove extra skin from there and tightening the muscles underneath. This mini tuck procedure, which only involves a lower abdominal incision and wherein no belly button is created, is little shorter to perform and leads to faster recovery. So depending on your requirement and depending on laxity of skin, whether this laxity of skin extends to entire abdomen or only to lower abdomen, we make a choice whether you will need a full tuck or a mini tuck procedure. Both procedures are safe and lead to good results. During tummy tuck or abdominoplasty procedure, you are asked to come to hospital on the same morning. After that, after initial preparation, you are shifted to operational room, wherein we give you general anesthesia. During procedure, first we perform liposuction of entire abdominal area, which helps us taking care of larger contour issue of the abdomen. After performing thorough liposuction, we place an incision which is placed very low on the abdomen so that final scar is always hidden in your undergarments. Depending on the tummy tuck procedure decided, we will recreate your belly button. After this entire procedure is complete, the final step is to close the wound, wherein we place very fine stitches so that you get scar which is hardly noticeable later on. You may have small tubes which are placed for drainage of fluid, which may be under your abdominal skin. After end of the procedure, you are shifted to the recovery room, where you stay for another 2 to 3 hours till you have fully recovered from anesthesia. During hospital stay, you will be on medication and we may make you walk same evening or next morning. You may be discharged 24 hours after the procedure and you may continue your recovery at your home. Once you reach home, you are allowed to walk around at your home and most of the routine activities or daily care activities can be performed without any help. You are supposed to come for follow-up around 8 to 10 days later, wherein we remove your stitches and give you further advice regarding your movements and care of the scar. By 2 weeks' time, you are able to carry on most of your routine activities and even able to join work. As far as strenuous activity is concerned, or going to gym or performing gym exercises on machines or lifting weight is concerned, you need to wait for 4 to 6 weeks. Your scars will continue to improve and will fade a lot by 3 months' time. Can we perform tummy tuck or abdominoplasty procedure for those who are having diabetes and hypertension? Yes, we can perform this procedure for you if you have diabetes and hypertension. It is important to understand that this procedure is performed under general anesthesia and both of your conditions, whether it's diabetes or hypertension, should be well controlled. Before procedure, we will ask you to undergo some basic investigations and if required, we can ask you to see your physician again to ensure that both diabetes and hypertension are well controlled. Yes, if you have diabetes and hypertension, you can undergo this procedure. Many of you are concerned whether you can get pregnant again after performing tummy tuck procedure. In case of women who are still comparatively younger and who have not completed their families yet, we generally ask them to wait till the time they have completed their families. Since tummy tuck procedure many times involves tightening of muscles and removal of skin, it is advisable that your family is complete before you undertake the choice of undergoing tummy tuck procedure. Although it is possible to get pregnant after performing tummy tuck procedure, but generally it is not recommended that you choose this procedure before completion of your family. Can we perform this tummy tuck or abdominoplasty procedure for men? Yes, we can. Although this procedure is more commonly performed in women who are recovering from laxity resulting out of pregnancy, many men who have lost weight, they may have extra skin on their abdominal area. Only way to tighten the skin when this laxity is significant is by performing tummy tuck procedure. Male tummy tuck and female tummy tuck do not differ much in steps, although the reasons for which these are being performed may be little different. In men, most of the times, tummy tuck procedure is performed post massive weight loss. And many times, we will be doing liposuction procedure in these men at the time of tummy tuck procedure. I hope all of you found this video useful. If you have still more queries, please feel free to reach us on YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. We'll be very happy to help you. And please also do not forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest information on various other cosmetic surgery issues. Thank you very much.